everyone, thanks for tuning into the iPro Technical Support channel. I'm Hase, Sales Engineer of iPro. I'm very excited to introduce the radar, the first security radar product from iPro. This is an important milestone for us, and I'm proud to share it with you today. Radar is designed for strong and reliable security. It can detect people up to 230 feet, 70 meters away, and vehicles up to 328 feet, 100 meters. With its wide 180 degrees detection angle, it covers large areas and helps keep your property safe. Radar delivers high accuracy even in darkness and bad weather. The 60 GHz frequency enables precise detection, so you can trust it to work well in many situations. You can connect up to 4 PTZ camera for smooth auto tracking. This makes it easy to follow any movement. Installation is simple thanks to its compact design, so you can mount radar on a wall or pole and easily check the detection area with using Wi-Fi USB dongle. Radar is built to last. It resists heavy salt damage and it is protected against water and impact with IK10 and IP66 rating, so you can rely on it even in tough environments. Radar also has advanced cybersecurity features. It meets FIPS 140-3 Level 3 compliance, so your data is protected. So are you ready? Let's start the installation.